Welcome back to PC Tips and Tricks, and today we'll be showing you how to get a featured channel on your YouTube channel just like this. So yeah, stay tuned and you can see how you do it. Let's get into it. First, what you want to do, you want to go into Google and then go onto YouTube, and then once you're on YouTube you want to go up to here and then you want to press your channel, and then you want to go onto Christmas channel. And then you see here where it says other channels, it would say featured channels. So what you want to do, you want to press add channels. And then I've got this one added, so I'm just going to delete it. And you can change the name of it, but I've changed it to other channels, so you can enter in the URL. So I've already got the URL for my other channel. So and you press add, and then when it's here, it's up there, and you press done, and then it should pop up there. So if you click on it, it will take you straight to the channel. This is my other channel, by the way. Make sure to subscribe to it. So yeah, so that's pretty much how you do it, and it doesn't say add channel, so I think I'll just, yep, there it is. So if you click on it and then refresh, so then it will put you into that channel. So yeah, that's how you add a featured channel. Sorry to say short video, not so good, but yeah. And sorry about the background noise. So I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, and remember guys, you can join my Discord server if you need PC help. We'll leave it in the comments. So yeah, see ya.